Picture this, a BMW that doesn't just move fast, but redefines what performance luxury feels like. The 2026 BMW M9 isn't built to impress quietly. It's built to dominate roads, turn heads, and set a new benchmark for what an M car can be. From the moment you see it, you know this is not an ordinary BMW. This is the future of the M division. Let's start with the design, because the M9 makes its presence felt instantly. The exterior is aggressive yet refined, blending sharp aerodynamic lines with muscular proportions. The front fascia features a wider, more sculpted kidney grille paired with ultra-slim adaptive LED matrix headlights that give the car a focused, almost predatory look. Large air intakes aren't just for show. They actively improve cooling and airflow for high-performance driving. The long hood, wide stance, and low roofline emphasize power and speed, while carbon fiber elements around the splitter side, skirts, and rear diffuser reduce weight and enhance aerodynamics from the side. The BMW M9 looks planted and confident. Massive performance wheels wrapped in high-grip tires fill the arches perfectly, while subtle embadging reminds you this car belongs at the top of BMW's performance lineup. At the rear, quad exhaust tips, an active carbon fiber spoiler, and sleek gold taillights complete the look, delivering both visual drama and functional downforce at high speeds. Step inside. The M9 instantly shifts from raw aggression to high-tech luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, including merino leather, alcantara, brushed aluminum, exposed carbon fiber. The M Sport seats are deeply bolstered for spirited driving, but remain comfortable enough for long journeys. Ambient lighting, customizable to match your mood, creates a cockpit-like atmosphere, while the curved digital display seamlessly blends the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one futuristic interface. Technology in the 2026 BMW M9 is next level. The latest BMW iDrive system offers ultra-fast response, voice control, gesture support, and full smartphone integration. A head-up display projects performance data, navigation, and driving information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Advanced driver assistance systems provide added confidence, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making the M9 surprisingly easy to live with every day. Now, let's talk about what truly defines the BMW M9 performance. Under the hood, the 2026 M9 is expected to feature a high-output, twin-turbocharged V8, potentially paired with mild hybrid technology to improve efficiency and instant throttle response. Power figures are expected to push well beyond 700 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration that pins you to the seat. The M-tuned X-Drive all-wheel drive system intelligently distributes power between the front and rear wheels, offering maximum traction when you need it, and pure rear-wheel drive thrills when you want it. The acceleration is brutal yet controlled. 0 to 60 happens in just over 3 seconds, and the top speed, when unlocked, reaches supercar territory. An 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts. Whether you're cruising comfortably or attacking corners on a track, adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, giving you a smooth ride in comfort mode and razor-sharp handling in sport and track settings. Braking performance is just as impressive. Massive M carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-free stopping power, even during aggressive driving. The steering is precise and confidence-inspiring, giving the driver an incredible sense of control and connection to the road. Despite its size and power, the M9 feels agile, composed, remarkably balanced through corners. What truly sets the BMW M9 apart is its ability to be multiple cars in one. It can be a refined luxury cruiser, a high-tech daily driver, and a full-blown performance monster, all at the push of a button. Customizable drive modes allow you to tailor throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, exhaust sound, and drivetrain behavior exactly to your preference. In simple terms, the 2026 BMW M9 is for drivers who want it all. It delivers supercar-level performance without sacrificing comfort, technology, or practicality. It represents the absolute peak of BMW's engineering, blending raw power with intelligent design in everyday USA BILITY. So, if you're looking for a car that doesn't just compete with the best, but aims to surpass them, the BMW M9 stands as a bold statement. It's not just another M car, it's a vision of what high-performance luxury will look like in the future, and it's coming in full force.